Yo, yo, it's good YouTube. This is Ango EDU, and today I got a new video for you guys. Basically, we're going to install damn vulnerable web application for our web penetration testing playlist. So we just go into google.com, search XAMPP, and then open up a new tab and also search damn vulnerable web application. All right. Also download 7Z, or if you do not have something like WinRAR, uh, download XAMPP, download for Windows, and then for DigiNinja, damn vulnerable web application. All right, just download the code. I already have this downloaded, and also for XAMPP, choose for Windows. You can use for Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Apple Mac OS. All right. Again, I already have this installed, so I'm just gonna close these tabs. And I already have XAMPP installed, so what you're gonna do is just extract your damn vulnerable web application, change this into DVWA, go inside that folder, you're gonna find a folder called config, change that config.inc to config.inc.php, press yes, and then cut this, go into your local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs, and then paste it over here. Go to your browser, localhost, and then DVWA. It's gonna give you an error that there is not a DVWA right now, and it's not connecting to anything because we don't have XAMPP opened. So just start the Apache and MySQL server, refresh that. Um, it's just my antivirus acting up. Anyway, it's giving us an uncaught SQL error. That is fine. We're just going to go into localhost and then phpMyAdmin. And basically what it's telling us is that there is no DVWA user or database. And if you go into your damn vulnerable web application config file, you're going to find out that it requires a database server and username and password credentials that are already over here. So let's just check out setup.php. So you can just do this really quickly and just create reset database. All right. Again, access denied for user WVA localhost. So we need to just at least create that database in that localhost PHP my admin. All right. All right. So let's go back over here. So as you can see, we do not have that username, so we're just gonna go into home and then user accounts, add user account, DVWA. Again, the credentials are over here if you are searching for that. Also create database with the same name and grant all privileges. Press go, and that is pretty much it. We have the database created. We are just having one just last step. We're just going to go into localhost DVWA setup.php and then create reset database. All right, let's go into the vulnerable web application right now. You're going to find out that it is installed, so we could just admin, and the password is going to be password like this. So let's check that out. Login. And that is pretty much it. This is how you install damn vulnerable web applications. This is the simplest way you can install it. Doesn't take that much time. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video where we're going to be basically information gathering. I'm going to show you a real life example of how to get an IP that is like connecting to something like a damn vulnerable web application. And next, we're going to scan it using Nmap, and then we're going to do in another video the exploitation. So check out the next videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Anguidio, and peace.